boop, boop. Oh no. What's up? We're back for day 3 working on Klaus. We got oil money over there right now.
Bet it.
It's doing good, chipping away. We got the car up all the way off the ground. Klaus's old subframe. We got to pull out this one because we got to weld in all those chassis reinforcements today. And I actually think we're going to use that cross member over that one just because it looks better. We'll see. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. See how that goes. Probably do that, and hopefully that's just the project for today because we only have 2 or 3 hours to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started at it. I have the front subframe out, and here's the front little reinforcement plates for the subframe. This one goes down in there, and then these go on top of it. And the reason you have to reinforce this is because for some reason you have one mount and one bolt that comes out for your engine mount. And just this little thing is supposed to hold the engine. I mean, even though you didn't design it for 1500 horsepower, that's whatever, because we have new engine mounts that are getting sponsored to us, because these are the old CX Racing ones. They're massive and they work just fine, but they're big and bulky and make things hard. So we're going to give these new ones a shot. He guarantees that they're going to be perfect and it's going to hold all the power. We will see about that, but I'm going to go ahead and get some of the metal off of this, clean it up, and start welding these in. Have these all welded in, and my welding's actually getting a little bit better. It was atrocious the first time around, but we got the plate down in there. Yeah, the first time I was not too good, but I'm getting better. In there, reinforced here. So now what we're gonna do is paint this, give it a quick little paint. Yeah, look at my backyard, it's destroyed because garage is filled, Klaus house is filled, driveway's filled, but we got our wonderful super clean. Everybody needs super clean. Soak it with that, degrease it, and then give it a shot of black paint. That is one painted subframe right there. Probably gonna hit it with another coat. But while I've been doing that, Steve's been prepping the car for paint. We got some rust reformer. He's been grinding on all the rust spots because we're gonna hit them and get them cleaned up. Same thing with up there. We had to start to cut into this pretty engine bay to get things ready. Got the tray that's out of there. And since we're already this far and it's open, we'll probably just shoot the car with some red real quick because there's nothing in the way. And of course, when I do some more cutting, I'll have to touch up, but at least it's open and we'll have the majority of it done. Beautiful subframe, love it. All right guys, we had to take a break because we actually have a joint birthday party. Was it Mike's and Shane's joint birthday party? We're calling it like Holy Cheeses. It's like everyone brings their favorite pizza and it'll be a fun time, and we might record some stuff and show it to you at the end of this video. But while we were doing that, we had everything apart on the car. I'm like, hey, might as well just start spraying it red while there's nothing in here. And I already used 5 cans of red and got half of the car with one coat. Maybe. So I think I need to buy like 10 or 12 more cans of red. I know that black engine bay is gone, but I like it red a lot more. moving right along, but we're gonna load up and we'll be right back. All right, it's a new day. It's currently a Wednesday. I don't even know when the last time I shot some video, a couple days ago. It's pretty hard getting some work done when you got a full-time job, you know, family, baby boy, normal chores, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, and you just gotta keep moving forward. Even if you can only spend 45 minutes or an hour a day on your project car, that's making progress, because by the end of the week, it's almost like you spent an entire day on it. Just keep moving forward. I think I did some more painting since you guys last saw. I'm getting the truck bed liner sprayed into there. Chad got the whole front subframe mounted in and looking pretty nice. And yes, I like the car with the red so much better. Chow puppies, everything's a mess. I got stuff in my yard, driveway, car in there, garage is full. Yeah, it's driving me absolutely crazy, but what can we do? And tonight's project, it's already like 7, which is awesome, so I got like an hour and a half of daylight, is to get the subframe out, get the gas tank out, and maybe weld in those reinforcement plates if I have enough time. But that's my plan. I'm sticking to it. Let's go ahead and get the subframe out. Underneath the car, we got Chadwick von Rosenberg showed up. We got the subframe out. Back here you can see gas tank out. He's gonna work on cleaning up all these lines. He's not. Okay, never mind. He's just gonna chill. We're gonna get all that stuff up, and you can see these are where the subframe mounts are. One of them I already got it fixed, but at least they're not missing like they were on Klaus 1.0. R tabs right there. So I'm going to flapper disc them all to clean it up and then weld in these reinforcement plates. Update time. Working pretty quick, not recording a whole bunch because I'm trying to beat the rain in a couple hours, because then I will be screwed. But got underneath, we got our reinforcement plates all welded in. Hopefully they do their job. Sprayed truck bed liner underneath the entire chassis just to help protect it, make everything a little bit better. Cleaned it up, removed some stuff. Got the subframe out of 1.0. Used my wonderful super clean, degreased it all, and then just gave it a quick shot of some paint just to protect it. We have reinforcement tabs for the sway bar. We welded in right there. So now I'm going to try getting it up in underneath and bolting it in and see how it goes. Oh, we are busting butt, rushing, trying to beat that storm. Ben and Mike are back there. They pulled all the electrical out of Klaus right now, which is pretty awesome of them. It looks like a massive rat nest over there. I'm gonna love that, putting it back in the car. Whatever, what can you do? Klaus is pretty stripped. Oh, I don't think I showed you, but subframe on, tires on. And I figured while the cage was out, I need to hook up this stuff that was way too hard to do when the cage was in there. So, clutch, good, brake pedal, gas pedal, steering wheel, steering's all hooked up. And next we're going to drop the cage on the car before it rains. 1, 2, 3. See, it's not that heavy. Yeah, right. Then you guys walk that way. No. Clean up the skirt a little bit. Okay, now how do we get it up and over there? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Watch yourself, please.
Please don't hurt yourself. There might be sharp edges.
Here it is, right by your elbow.
Okay. Forward we go.
I'm gonna say it's just blood. I make more.
He's got a point.
Let go. I'm off, but this goes further down. Yeah.
We're getting
Oh,
close.
she'll settle herself.
She'll find a way.
5 lines away. Here she goes.
Dude, it looks like a Klaus again. Well, let me check, make sure the heating fuel pumps.
You are hitting right here.
Oh yeah, I mean that's.
I feel like it's got to slide this way and touch because I'm looking over there.
Oh, this is probably just cut teeter spots. Yeah, look how.
Oh yeah, I just cut
Well,
that.
I'm also looking at this and that. And the river.
Might be.
Oh, it needs, the back end needs to shift this. Alright.
There we go. That looks better.
Yep,
Hey.
that's right there.
Yeah.
All right.
Good job, team.
She could go about 1/8 inch this way.
Shut up, Mike.
Creepers. Creepers everywhere. Look at that. Klaus's cage is back on Klaus.
2.0.
Yes, 2.0. It's a little bit different. We got some work to do. The back, we got it how it was on 1.0. But now we get to the front and it's forward more. It's almost like the coupe is not as long as the sedan, but everything online says it is. But I'm gonna say that's a lie because it's obviously not. But Klaus is looking pretty good. Got the front end on, headlights, starting to look like Klaus again. Mike's gonna toss in the engine. We're probably gonna go for a ride later. Yeah, all right. As soon as we gotta build the engine first, but after that. Oh,
You mean refresh the engine?
refresh. It really is just getting some new bearings. Ben brought over the lady's bumper. Since she decided to leave that in the middle of the road, he picked it up. What should we do with the bumper?
So we mount it and junk it.
Mount it and junk it. We'll do something like that.
It could work.
It could. But that's it. We're gonna end off this video right there. I got more fitting, more stuff to do, but we'll see you guys on the next one.
I couldn't believe it.
Shane, what level are we at now?
I would say I'm getting proper.
Getting proper.
Getting proper.
We'll have to check the chart.
Yeah.
Oh hey, look who decided to join this party.
I'm telling them about my new SBT Ranger. It's got a 302 in it.
No,
It's the 5.0, man.
It's a slab.
Go check it out.
okay.
He's like, okay.
Did you put a 5.0 sticker on it or something?
No. I peeled a Michigan plate off the back of it, though.
Aww.
There's like a dust line for an M. I'm gonna have to eraser wheel that off of there.
That's okay. Ohio State was just losing to Akron Zips.
Are they?
They were, and now they're up a touchdown.
And honestly, like,
No way. What's up, homie? Hey,
YouTube stuff.
Oh God. You can edit that piece out.
I want to get moved out.
Oh, there's Brittany with no engine still. She got no engines, Ted.
Hi, this is so, I love